What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Jamaica. We're gonna go over BitTorrent, BTT gang. We've had an amazing breakout. I posted it in the Discord just as it was breaking the neckline, and it's absolutely exploded. So if you want to stay ahead of the game on these trades, make sure to sign up to the Discord, guys. It's the price of a coffee, over 1,000 members. So let's go over BTT, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 0.0042. My glasses are a bit foggy, so I'm going to keep them off for this one. We're up almost 13% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.77 billion. 24-hour volume is 880 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. It's my favorite app for investing. You get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's get into it, guys. We're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So I had posted it just as it was breaking the neckline, and it's had a huge breakout. So we've had a rounding bottom, as you can see here, and your target is all the way up at the 0.5 on the Fibonacci here. Just going to quickly take out the background color, which is up at 0.005 for BitTorrent. Now there is a much larger pattern I want to show you guys here on the daily time frame. So here we are on the daily, guys. It's the inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Here's your neckline. So if you see us come up to this target, we're going to get really close to our neckline here. And this is an absolutely massive pattern that could lead to some extremely juicy profits if it were to play out here. Would basically bring BTT up close to the 0.786 extension, which is up here. The technical target is up at about 0.0082. The 0.786 is up at 0.0087. So from the current price, that's a juicy gain of basically 100%. And on the daily time frame, we're about to have the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. And if we ignore our little pump here and I go back to the last time that BTT had the bullish cross on the daily, is way down here, guys, back in January, and that was an extremely juicy gain of 4,000% for BTT. So not financial advice, but if you're new to BTT, if you're looking to add to your bag, I think right now is a perfect opportunity, as we could definitely see some explosive gains for BTT. So that's your target, guys, from this larger pattern up at 0.0087. If we have the bullish cross, we're looking really healthy, looking really strong for continuation, especially if we break this neckline. We have future price targets for BTT up at 0.0233, which is the 1.272. We have the 1.618 at 0.046. Now, if we do see a little bit of correction here, I will drop in a level of support. I'm actually just going to drop in a bit of a support zone here. So what I'm going to do is take our box here. So if we were to roll over here, I would target this level, see where all this resistance is, and then we have a lot of support in this area. So in between about 0.0040 and 0.0041 for BTT could act as a strong level of support. If we can come up and break this level of resistance, we may find some resistance here at about 0.0045. You can see the resistance in this area. And if we're able to break through that, your target is all the way up at the 0.5 at 0.0050 for BTT. So big shout out to BTT gang. As you guys know, BTT tends to absolutely explode along with Wink, but it can also correct quite hard. So it's something to keep in mind. But do keep an eye on that pattern on the daily, because that's a massive trade opportunity here from this inverse head and shoulders pattern. If you want to learn to trade with leverage, me and members of the Discord have been absolutely killing it. You can check out my full link tutorial, sign up to Bybit, and receive $50 for a first-time deposit within 48 hours, as well as $600 in bonuses. All right, guys, check out the Discord. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.